Greetings everyone, Stefan is here, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you what is in my bag. So I recently bought a DJI Mini 3 refurbished from DJI, not sponsored. And in today's video I'm gonna show you what you should do when you buy your DJI Mini 3. Obviously you should get a bag, but the more important is what things you should put in the bag when you go flying your drone. There's a couple of things that you definitely should pack here, because in case of an emergency, I mean, you should know what you should do. Because let's say you get your drone, you get your controller, but there's a few essential things that you might consider get in the bag. So in today's video I'm going to show you what actually I have in this bag. Obviously it's going to be the drone, the RC-N1 controller, and some other things. So if this is your first time here, consider subscribing, liking the video. Now let's unpack this bag and let me show you what you have here. Okay, let's start with the first thing, which is very important. Obviously it's going to be your drone. This is the Mini 3, which I have here, as you can see. Make sure you get this strap. This strap is to wrap your propellers. So when the drone is unfolded, as you can see, you don't want the propellers to go anywhere. So I will demonstrate right now. So as you can see, the propellers are quite folded. And obviously when I bought the drone, this strap was not included. So what you do is basically when you get the strap, you basically make sure that the strap is wrapping the propellers. So when this is in your bag, I will demonstrate right now. So when this is in your bag, as you can see, the propellers, they're nicely folded and they don't go anywhere. So this is the first thing you should buy. Obviously, if this strap is not included, make sure to get this as well. Also, the cover for the gimbal for the camera. This is very essential. When you buy the drone, obviously this will be included. But if for some reason this is not, make sure you buy the cover for your drone, because this is the first thing you should do. You don't want to put this in your bag, scratch the lens. Yeah, it's gonna be a problem. So cover for your camera is very important to have for the gimbal. So the strap, obviously the cover for your camera, very important. So I'm gonna leave the drone on the side. Charging, this is very important as well. I purchased the drone with one battery, but I purchased another battery which was gonna be here, I believe, next week. But make sure you have two batteries. So one of the batteries already inside of the drone. I don't know if you can see. But yeah, two batteries, I think it's enough. DJI claims 38 minutes of flight time, but you're not gonna get that in a perfect condition. Maximum flight time you'll get probably around 30 minutes, which is still plenty enough. But in order to double your flight time, get an extra battery. So one battery is in the drone, you fly, you do your cool shots, and the second battery is going to be in the charger and charges. Simple as that. You can charge this in your car or with a power bank. Yeah, very essential. So make sure you get this, because in order to charge the batteries, you need the hub. For some reason, you cannot charge the batteries with a USB-C cable. They don't have any ports. The only way to charge them is with the hub to charge the batteries, if this makes sense. Definitely you need that in your bag. Obviously the RC-N1 controller. I do like this controller. It's very cool, very nice. As a new pilot, I don't think you need the RC controller with the screen, built-in screen. So if you're considering to buy your first drone and you see many videos on YouTube, everybody saying that you should avoid this controller, get the RC controller with the screen. Personally, I think this is wrong. Definitely should get this controller with the drone. If it's your first drone, and you see people saying that no, you should avoid this because you have to put your phone, connect the cables, launch the app. I mean, yes, this takes a couple of seconds, but it's not a big deal. So definitely I recommend this with this controller. Now inside of the bag I have a compartment here. Let me show you what I have inside. This is very important. Extra cable. Make sure you always have an extra Type-C cable, again for charging the batteries. Also maybe your cable will be damaged for some reason, so extra cable is always nice to have. Extra propellers. You have to have extra propellers with you because you may crash, you may damage your propeller for some reason, and you need to have extra propellers to change them if you need them. Obviously this is included in the box when you buy any DJI drone, so you have extra propellers and the tool to change the propellers. Definitely you need that. Make sure this is always in your bag. Power bank. Make sure you have a power bank in your bag. Why you need that? Well, you can charge the extra battery that you have. If you don't have a car, obviously you can put the batteries to charge in your car. While you're filming, making videos, while you fly your drone, the second battery will charge. But if you don't have a car, you have a power bank. Any power bank will do. 5,000 milliamp hour, 10,000 milliamp hour, 20,000 milliamp hour. You need that if you decide to charge your controller, if you decide to charge your battery. Always good to have a power bank with you because you never know when you're gonna need it. So power bank is very essential to have in your bag. Let me see what else you need. We have 2 items left. Make sure you get extra thumbsticks. Probably you're thinking why you need extra, because I mean they're very small. They're very small, and I guarantee you probably gonna lose some of them. And I'm gonna show you right now. Actually, they are here on the controller behind, as you can see. And in order to take them, basically you have to get one and screw it on the controller. But I guarantee you probably will lose some of them. So it's better to have an extra thumbsticks in your bag because you never know when you're gonna need them. And yeah, it's a nice bonus to have extra. They're very cheap, they're like £5, and you never know when you're gonna need them. So extra thumbsticks is very essential to have as well. And the last item is, you don't have to buy this, but it's good to be in your bag because it's very simple. This is an ND filter. I haven't done a video yet, so I'm planning to do a video about the ND filter. So make sure to subscribe if you want to see that. You can buy any ND filters. I purchased this from K&F Concepts. ND filter, I haven't used it yet. Again, I'm gonna give you probably another video about that. But simply explain, the ND filter basically is sunglasses for your lens. So if outside is very bright, the ND filter will help to minimize that. Also, if you need this bokeh effect depth of field, the ND filter will help as well. So maybe you don't need one, but it's good to have an ND filter just for in case. So if it's super bright outside, this is very essential to have. Again, you don't have to, but I decided to have one. So there we have it, guys. This is a quick video what is in my bag. Again, not sponsored, DJI Mini 3, new pilot here. So make sure to subscribe, like, leave any comments down below. Have you bought your first drone? Let me know, what do you think? What other accessories should I include in the bag? So if you have any tips, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share. I'll see you in the next video. Happy flying, and I'll see you next time.